Today's wonderful adventure is brought to you by the makers of Kia. A 2009 Kia Rio, 1.6 dual overhead cam, dropped a timing belt while driving. It is an interference engine. And since we have to replace the timing belt that broke, we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick and see if we lucked out and if we did not bend any valves. Spoiler alert, I'll be pulling the head off in the next video. And now might be a decent time to remind you, if you're so inclined, to hit the like button, maybe subscribe. This is about my 17th video, and I still have about 13 subscribers. I appreciate all the subscribers I have, but I would like more. I try pretty hard to find something decent to make a video about, and any encouragement or lack thereof, comments, whatnots, they're all appreciated. I appreciate every view I get, all 24 of them, and yours. Thank you for watching. Now, in all honesty, it's probably going to be the second half of this video that you're going to like better than this crappy Kia here. Until we get to the head removal video I'll be posting in a couple of days. Second half of this video is the work truck. I lowered it down 3.5 inches and kicked a bump stop out. So the driveline was dragging on the tunnel underneath the cab and making a horrible racket. So I went ahead, put a 2-degree pinion angle shim on the leaf springs and welded in some helper springs to the leaf springs touching the frame rail underneath the bed. It seemed to work out quite well. I am an awesome welder with a shitty welding mask. You'll get to see that here in a few minutes. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead, hit subscribe, because I'm going to be throwing out a couple of videos this week, and would really appreciate some feedback on them if you guys have the time. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Oh, here's the compression test. We got 95, 25, 0, and 45. I ran this test twice. I got similar numbers on the second run. So I'm actually sitting in the driveway. I'm going to post this video, and then I'm going to go ahead and start making the new video of me tearing the motor apart. I'm going to flip that sucker over and see how many valves we've done. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.
Only in Sebastian Land.